Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present our paper. The title is Branding and Cultural Marketing of the Batik, Traditional Clothes Industry in East Java, Indonesia, a systematic literature review and conceptual framework. This paper will be presented in International Conference on Social Sciences in Sumeneb, Indonesia at 22nd October 2025. The first author is Farah Ferdimansa, second author is Budi Siswanto, and the third author is Bambang Sugiono Agus Purwono as narrator. We are lecturer in University of Bahaudimudari Sumeneb, Madura, Indonesia. The outline is the research background, literature study, research method, result and discussion, conclusion, and references. The research background, the cultural and creative industry have become increasingly recognized as engine of economic growth and national identity identity. In Indonesia, batik as a traditional clothes, holds a unique position as both of traditional craft and modern economic asset. As a form of intangible cultural heritage recognized by UNESCO since 2009. Batik symbolize of nation artistic diversity, local wisdom, and craftsmanship. The East Java region, home to vibrant batik center such as Madura, Tulungagung, and Banyuwangi, has evolved into one of the Indonesian most dynamic batik production cluster, integrating traditional motif with contemporary design and market strategy. However, despite of cultural richness, the batik industry face critical challenges in sustaining competitiveness amid globalization, digital transformation, and shifting customer preferences. Many small and medium batik enterprises in East Java still struggle to differentiate their brand and connect cultural authenticity with modern marketing practices. The growing market for sustainable fashion and local heritage products create opportunity for batik entrepreneurs to reposition their identity-based brand to attract both domestic and international consumers. While numerous studies have explored branding and marketing in the fashion and creative sector, few have comprehensively examined how cultural identity influence branding strategy in traditional industries such as batik. Most empirical work remain fragmented, focusing either on consumer behavior, sustainability, or local entrepreneurship without integrating this perspective into a holistic theoretical model. Furthermore, there is a limited understanding of how East Java cultural diversity, especially Madurist motif and color symbols, shape brand differentiation and perceive authenticity in the marketplace. The action of systematic synthesis on cultural branding within the party context also limit the theoretical development of identity-based branding model in Southeast Asia. This gap is crucial as effective cultural marketing require balancing between heritage preservation and innovation to ensure economic sustainability. Hence, a structured literature review is needed to consolidate finding, and provide a conceptual framework for future research and practice. The absence of systematic studies of on cultural branding within the Batik context also limit the theoretical development of identity-based branding model in Southeast Asia. The gap is crucial as effective cultural marketing requires balancing between heritage preservation and innovation to ensure economic sustainability. Hence, the structural literature is needed to consolidate finding and provide conceptual framework for future research and production. The research objective are to identify theoretical perspective and empirical finding related to cultural branding and creative industry. Second, to analyze how cultural identity and authenticity contribute to brand image formation and consumer perception. Number three, to develop a conceptual model that illustrate the relationship among cultural identity, brand image, consumer perception, and purchase intention in the battery concept. Number four, provide managerial and policy implementation for sustainability and confidence. Fifth, cultural battery. This is the adaptability, cultural branding, and activity, authenticity, storytelling, and emotional value, consumer cultural and symbolic consumption, and linking cultural identity, brand image, and purchase intention. Research design, the study adopt a systematic literature review, data, source, and search strategy. We use Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar. This is an overview of literature selection. The systematic review process yielded 87 studies from Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar published between 2015 and 2025. This is the result and discussion, thematic structure. This is the motif of Batik Madura. Result and discussion, we discuss cultural identity as strategic differentiator. Another one is brand image and symbolic value construction. The conclusion, the systematic literature review demonstrate that cultural identity and brand image play fundamental roles in the shaping consumer behavior in heritage-based industries such as batik. The conceptual framework development in the study cultural identity, brand image, consumer perception, and purchase intention. The other one, the context Madura Batik cultural identity maps not as static politics, but as a dynamic language. And some character of the heavy interpretive and with modern sensibilities. The study contributes to theoretical advancement by proposing an integrative model of cultural branding, bridging consumer psychology, strategic marketing, and cultural study perspective. This is the references. The biography, the first author is Varda Ferbiansa, second author is Budi Siswanto, the third author is Bambang Sugiono Agus Purwono as narrator. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later in the next international conference.